Hey, what's up, guys? This is Brad Koetsier, coming from Coachman Training Systems in Byron Center, Michigan. I'm about 20 miles from Hunter. It's pretty funny to actually work with somebody that is so close to you, and some people think as a competitor, but Hunter and I have a good working relationship, so this is a really, really cool thing to get to learn from him. My goal in this whole masterclass was to revitalize my training concepts, and it's definitely helped me. Keeping things simple is what Hunter preaches, and I agree 100%. But sometimes we like to branch out and make things a little too complicated. So a big takeaway from Hunter is just continue to make things simple and do the small things perfect. And we all need a coach. We all need guidance. I would highly recommend getting with Hunter and taking his masterclass. Huge piece. Has helped my athletes a ton already, even though it's only been 6 weeks. So, if you need help, if you want to be faster, get with Hunter.